Hey, if you're wanting to open an Excel file and you don't have Excel, don't want to be paying Microsoft for 365 or another version of Office, you could use OpenOffice, which is a free option, or alternatively just look at it in Google Sheets. So you'll see we've got this one here, our XLS authorized purposes calculations. We can't open it, we don't have Excel, so we want to go to our Google Drive, go drive.google.com. Go into My Drive, and that shows what you've got in there. Go to your Downloads folder or wherever you've downloaded your XLS or XLSX file, and just drag it across into your My Drive. And you'll see here it's doing the upload. It's uploaded that in there. And now if you just double click on that file, it will open it in Google Sheets for you. And then you can do your thing with it there. Cool, thanks heaps for watching.